Hello student, welcome to biology class, and in this segment of video we are going to discuss about nutrition in amoeba. So first of all we need to know that which kind of nutrition occurs in amoeba. So amoeba is a unicellular organism, but being unicellular organism in amoeba, there is holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition. It means we will discuss about the nutrition in amoeba as holozoic nutrition, and we have studied that holozoic nutrition complete in the 5 steps. So we will discuss one by one these all steps in amoeba. So the first step of holozoic mode of nutrition is ingestion. So ingestion, it is the process of intake of food. So intake of food in amoeba take place through a special structure made by the cell membrane of the amoeba, which is known as pseudopodia. It means ingestion take place through pseudopodia. So pseudopodia is a special character through which the intake of food take place in amoeba. As we take in food through our mouth, amoeba take in food through the pseudopodia. So pseudopodia term is made up of two words. The first is pseudo. So pseudo means false, while podia stand for feet. It means pseudopodia is also known as false feet. So it is known as false feet because the general function of pseudopodia is to locomote from one place to another place. It means amoeba comes under the category of animals. So they represents the characteristics of animals as the locomotion, and the locomotion in amoeba take place through this structure, and this structure also have been the ingestion, that means the intake of food in amoeba. So in previous class we have discussed about the process of endocytosis. So endocytosis is the process that involve in taking of food through pseudopodia, and we have discussed that endocytosis is of two types on the basis of the nature of food or state of food. It means when amoeba takes solid food like bacteria from its surrounding, so that kind of endocytosis, which it is known as phagocytosis. While the other way of taking food in the form of liquid or fluid, we can give a technical term for the food, that is fluid. So when the amoeba take in food in the form of fluid material, so that will be the process known as pinocytosis. So these are the two processes through which amoeba can take in food: phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Phagocytosis for solid food and pinocytosis for fluid, when the food will be in fluid nature. So this is all about the ingestion. Through it means the ingestion takes place in this way. So, along with the description of the process or the step, we also draw the structure. So, this is an amoeba. When the amoeba or along the surface of amoeba, some food comes. So, suppose this is the food as bacteria. So when in bacteria or some other food particles come to the surface or near the surface of amoeba. Amoeba cell consists of the plasma membrane, and inside the plasma membrane there is a nucleus, and nucleus around the nucleus the cytoplasm, and inside the cytoplasm there are certain cell organelles and vacuole. So when the food particles such as bacteria comes near the surface of or near the plasma membrane of amoeba, the amoeba start to make pseudopodia, start to push the cell membrane around the food. So when amoeba push the cell membrane around the food, that it makes a structure, and that structure is known as pseudopodia. So these are the two pseudopodia, and these pseudopodia make due to the food materials comes near the surface. So bacteria when it comes near the surface of cell membrane, its cell membrane, it pushes out, and that pushing out make a structure known as pseudopodia. And the other structure is same, is the nucleus and the cytoplasm. So when the pseudopodia becomes formed, then in the next state the structure pseudopodia surround over the cell, over the food particles. The food particles around the pseudopodia surrounded by this structure. And after surrounding, the both end of pseudopodia becomes joined together. तो pseudopodia के जो दोनों एंड है वो आपस में जुड़ गए और अंदर की तरफ एक स्ट्रक्चर बन गया, a globular structure, vesicle like structure along with the food, and that structure is known as food vacuole. Or it is also known as phagosome. So food vacuole or phagosome is the structure consisting of the food, solid food or liquid food, and that in that structure the process of digestion take place inside the cell of amoeba. So one thing need to understood or need to keep in mind that the digestion of food in amoeba take place inside the cell, and that kind of digestion is known as intracellular digestion. So in the next step we are going to discuss about the second step, that is digestion. So after ingestion of food, intake of food, the process of digestion take place or starts. So digestion is intracellular digestion. It means The digestion take place inside the cell. When the digestion take place outside the cell, it is known as extracellular digestion, and when take place inside the cell, it is known as intracellular digestion. So in amoeba, intracellular digestion take place in the inside food vacuole or phagosome. It means there is a special structure formed by the help of plasma membrane encircle the food particles. It is known as food vacuole. And inside the food vacuole, the release of enzymes occurs from the lysosome of the cytoplasm. It means अमीबा के साइटोप्लाज्म में जो लाइसोसोम पाए जाते हैं, अभी हम लोग डिस्कस किए हैं दैट अमीबा इज एनिमल्स इन नेचर. अमीबा के पास एनिमल का बिहेवियर होता है, मीन्स एनिमल सेल की प्रॉपर्टी होगी. और एनिमल सेल के बारे में हम लोग प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं दैट एनिमल सेल कंसिस्ट ऑफ लाइसोसोम, वेसिकल्स ऑफ एंजाइम्स. So that enzymes poured by the lysosome inside the food vacuole. So when enzymes pour into the food vacuole, the food start to digest by the help of that enzyme. So in the next stage, digestion takes place inside the food vacuole, and this digestion completed by the help of a process, and that process is known as cyclosis. And cyclosis, during the cyclosis, food vacuole move around the nucleus. ये न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड चारों तरफ जो है मूव करता है, एंड जब ये मूव करता है तो डाइजेशन एंजाइम्स इसमें मिक्स होते जाते हैं, और जैसे जैसे एंजाइम्स मिक्स होते जाएंगे इसके अंदर जो फूड वैक्यूल के अंदर पार्टिकल्स है उसका डाइजेशन होता रहेगा. सो इंट्रासेलुलर डाइजेशन टेक प्लेस, एंड आफ्टर डाइजेशन जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप होगा absorption of food. So digested food becomes absorbed by the cytoplasm. So the third stage is absorption of food. So during the absorption process, the digested food from the food vacuole, ये food vacuole है, food vacuole से जो digested food होंगे वो साइटोप्लाज्म की तरफ डिफ्यूज होकर चले जाएंगे या फिर थ्रू एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज एब्जॉर्प्शन. मीन्स फ्रॉम फूड वैक्यूल टू द साइटोप्लाज्म. The direction of movement of digested food from cytoplasm to from the food vacuole to the cytoplasm, it is known as absorption of food. Then absorbed food utilized by the cell organelles of the cell of amoeba for various processes such as energy production, protein synthesis. So that process is known as assimilation. It means the next step after absorption of food, that is the assimilation. And assimilation is the process of utilizing food. It means the absorbed food get utilized by the cell organelles or cell structure. So after utilization of digested food or absorption of food, when the absorption of digested food take place in large quantity, So some parts or most of the part of the absorbed food remain unused, so, and that unused food got stored in the form of glycogen. So it is important to note here that the storage of food take place in the form of glycogen. And this is the key features of animals. So this is also give a proof that amoeba show the animal's behavior. As we have discussed in the case of plants, the storage of food take place in the form of starch, and in animals the storage of food in the form of glycogen. So in amoeba, the excess food, digested food remain stored in the form of glycogen. So this is all about absorption, and the assimilation means the utilization of food. Then the last step is the egestion. That means after absorption of food, digested food inside the food vacuole, some part of food remain undigested, means digestion उसका नहीं होता या फिर उसमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं होते हैं, तो उसको जो है उसका डाइजेशन नहीं होगा. सो दैट विल बी remain in the food vacuole as a waste product. So in the next step in amoeba, the food vacuoles comes near the cell membrane, and the cell membranes ruptures at the point of attachment of food vacuole through the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane becomes ruptured, and through this opening, due to rupture, there is a small opening, and due to this opening, along this opening, the undigested waste product or the food that remain undigested go outside from the food vacuole, and this process is known as egestion. It is known as egestion. And commonly this process is known as exocytosis, which is the second type of bulk transport, means from inner side of cell to outer side. So this is all about the nutrition in amoeba. I hope you will be clear your concept from this video, and in next segment of video we will discuss about the holozoic nutrition in human being. Some facts about the amoeba that we have discussed in initial part of video, that the pseudopodia, this pseudopodia is also formed in some cells of our body. We have discussed in class 9 that types of blood cells. So some WBC are amoeboid in nature, and that amoeboid in nature due to the formation of pseudopodia. That cells also take in food or some other foreign particles such as pathogens. When our body get infected, so immunity provided by our WBCs. So there are a number of strategies followed by our WBCs to fight against the diseases or fight against the pathogens, and one of the strategies used by our body cell or used by our WBC is such as in such a manner. It means amoeboid cell of WBC engulf food through by making pseudopodia, and then inside the cell they break them with the help of enzyme, and after breaking, the residue or in the form of waste they pour out into the blood stream, and from the blood stream they expel out from the body through our circulatory system with the help of excretory organ. So this is all about the nutrition in amoeba and the fact related to the nutrition in amoeba. Thank you.